Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your account with Abercrombie, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your Abercrombie account, start by visiting the Abercrombie website. Look for the sign in option, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to proceed. If you already have a registered account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one first. To create a new account, click on the Create Account link. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This usually includes your name, email address, and preferred password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message from Abercrombie. Open the email and look for the activation link provided. Click on the activation link in the email to verify your account. You will be redirected back to the Abercrombie site. Log in again using your email and new password if prompted. Once logged in, your account will be fully activated. Now you can start exploring Abercrombie's products and enjoy shopping. Make sure to keep your account details secure for future logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.